So we've got two examples here of inequations, so we can see we've got 5 bracket x minus 3 is less than 12. We're going to start with this one. Okay, so first thing we want to do, just if it was an equation, we'd do the exact same thing as we break the bracket out. So we're going to have 5x take away 15, because when we multiply into the bracket is less than 12. And then we're going to take the 15 over and it adds here. So we have 5x is less than 27. Now at this point, remember, sometimes equations aren't all nice and neat and they all go into exact numbers, so we just have to show it like that. And at that point, I'm actually happy for you to leave it at that point for just now. We can look at different forms of fractions and vulgar fractions and top heavy another time. Okay, but I'm quite happy for you to leave it as that just now, because 27 over 5 obviously can't go, doesn't divide, so we can just leave it like that for the moment. So you can see this is the exact same way as we would tackle an actual equation with an equal sign here. Nothing different than that at all. In this example, I'm going to show you how things can become different when we've got negative numbers. Alright, so with this one we've got unknowns on both sides, which means we've got x's on both sides. So we have to bring all the x's over to the left hand side. So we're going to have 3x take away 5x is greater than, this time, 6 plus 4. Okay, so we've got 3x take away 5x is negative 2x greater than 10. Alright, the next step is all important. So we're going to have x, and it's going to be 10 over negative 2, but it's not going to be greater than. We're going to switch that around to be a less than. So we're going to end up with x is less than negative 5. Now, this is a really important part, folks, alright? When we divide by a negative number, so when this number is negative and we're going to divide by it, we switch the inequality around. So if it's a greater than, it becomes a less than. If it was a less than, it becomes a greater than. So it just points the other way. So as soon as we divide by a negative, then we have to point the inequality the other way. Okay? So this has been a greater than, we've divided by a negative, so we've switched it round. Okay? And this one, we've not divided by a negative, we've divided by a positive 5, so it stayed as less than. But with this example, as you can see, greater than, greater than, greater than, divided by a negative, less than, and less than for the answer as well. Okay? So that's that learning point, make sure you get that, okay?